In this video, we will see how to add page numbers in Word from middle of document or how to add page numbers in Word from a specific page. You can see that I have opened a Word doc with multiple pages and it has no page numbers. Let's say you want to start numbering from your fourth page. To do this, go to the last line of your third page, click on layout, click breaks and then click here on next page. Now click on insert, click on page numbers and then select the position where you want to add the page numbers. I will select bottom of page. You can see that number 4 has been added. To change it to 1, you can see that a header and footer menu has been opened. Click here on link to previous. Then click on page numbers, click format page numbers, select start at and 1 will be added by default. Click OK. Our content was pushed to the next page. I will bring it back and you can see that we have added page number 1 on our fourth page. The fifth page has number 2 and sixth page has number 3. The previous pages will still consist of the previous page numbers. You can go there and delete them. You can see that our first 3 pages have no page numbers and the numbering starts from 4th page. So this was how you can add page numbers in Word from middle of document or add page number in Word from a specific page. Now, if you want to know more about Durable AI, which is an AI-powered website builder, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.